Good morning, students. Today we will solve this problem of internal reconstruction. See the problem. Following is the summarized balance sheet of Sandeep Limited as on 31st March 2018. See liability side. Issued and subscribed capital is given. 10% preference shares of rupees 100 each. So there is 4 lakhs rupees preference share capital and number of shares are 4,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each. Equity shares of rupees 10 each. Equity share capital is 10 lakhs, that is 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. 12% debentures 7 lakh 50,000. There is bank overdraft, sundry creditors and bills payable. Now see the asset side. There are goodwill and patents, these two intangible fixed assets. Furniture, plant and machinery and land and building, these are tangible fixed assets. Stock, that is inventory. Debtors and bills receivable, that is trade receivables. And profit and loss account and share issue expenses, these are fictitious assets. Now see the additional information given. The preference dividend is in arrears for 4 years. The following scheme of capital reduction was sanctioned by the court and agreed by the shareholders. First, the preference shares are to be reduced to rupees 50 each and equity shares to reduce to rupees 2 each, both being fully paid. So, face value of preference shares is to be reduced to rupees 50 each, means it will be 50 each afterwards, and value of equity shares will be rupees 2 each. Okay, so we have to cancel old preference share capital account and old equity share capital account, and we have to prepare new preference share capital account and equity share capital account, and the difference will be of reduction. Okay, now see the next point. Of the preference dividend in arrears, 3/4 to be waived and remaining to be paid in cash. So from the preference dividend they are paying only 1/4 preference dividend. Understood? The debenture holders to take over plant and machinery at rupees 6,50,000 in 6,50,000 in part satisfaction of their claim. See, debenture holders amount is 7,50,000. Okay, as a part of their claim they are accepting plant and machinery at rupees 6,50,000. The remaining claim should be converted into 14% debentures. Okay, so difference will be transferred to capital reduction account. Now next point, creditors agreed to reduce their claim by rupees 20,000. So sacrifice made by creditors is of rupees 20,000, which will be transferred to capital reduction account. Then bills payable to be paid immediately. We have to pass the entry of paying bills payables immediately. Then next point, goodwill, patents, profit and loss account and share issue expenses are to be written off, obviously. Next point, the following assets are to be revalued as under: furniture rupees 25,000, stock in trade 68,000, furniture's old value is 35,000, and now revalue amount is rupees 25,000, so reduction of rupees 10,000. In stock, see, the old value is 80,000 and now revalued amount is 68,000, so there is reduction of rupees 12,000. In land and building also there is a reduction from 6,50,000 to 5,80,000, so reduction of 70,000. And debtors, old debtors were 90,000 and now revalued amount is 80,000, so there is reduction of rupees 10,000. Okay, and last point, a secured loan of rupees 1,50,000 at 12% per annum is to be obtained by mortgaging land and building for repayment of bank overdraft, bills payable and reconstruction expenses. So they are taking a 12% secured loan of rupees 1,50,000, and from that they are paying bank overdraft, bills payable and reconstruction expenses of rupees 15,000. So for we have to pass entries for payment of bank overdraft, bills payable and reconstruction expenses. Okay, so here we have to pass journal entries and prepare the balance sheet of Sandeep Limited after reconstruction. This is an important problem. So now we will solve this problem. Let's start. Now we will pass journal entries of Sandeep Limited. We have discussed the problem. Now see the first point of additional information. I hope तुम्हाला दिसतंय व्यवस्थित. See the first point. The preference shares are to be reduced to rupees 50 each. So we have to pass the journal entry for reduction of preference shares. We have to debit old preference share capital account. So first entry, old preference share capital account is of rupees 4 lakhs. So 10% preference share capital account debit. Debit 4 lakhs. And they told us they are to be reduced to rupees 50 each, means obviously the number of debentures were 4,000 into 50 means 2 lakhs. 50 हे 100 रुपीजचे होते, 50 रुपीजचे केलेत म्हणजे 2 लॅक्सचे केलेत म्हणजे 2 lakhs रुपीज रिडक्शन झाले. ओके, सो 10% प्रेफरन्स शेअर कॅपिटल अकाउंट, $2 lakhs. Shares at rupees 50 each and shares at rupees 100 each. Okay, to capital reduction account, reduction of rupees 2 lakhs. Okay, so being preference shares of rupees 100 reduced to rupees 50 each. This will be the narration. Now see next part of that additional information. And equity shares to rupees 2 each, means equity shares were reduced to rupees 2 each म्हणजे rupees 2 त्यांची प्राइस केली आहे. So their reduction is of rupees 8 per share because their face value was rupees 10. Okay, so त्यांची फेस व्हॅल्यू 10 रुपये होती, 2 रुपये पर्यंत कमी केले म्हणजे 2 रुपये केली नवीन किंमत. सो 8 रुपयाचं रिडक्शन आहे. ओके, so let's pass second entry for reduction in equity share capital. Old equity share capital account will be debited. So equity share capital account debit, old capital is of rupees 10 lakhs. Okay, to new equity share capital account, it is of rupees 2 lakhs because 1 lakh shares of rupees 2 each, and so there is capital reduction of 8 lakhs, that is 1 lakh shares into rupees 8. Okay, so being equity shares, you can say 1 lakh equity shares also of rupees 10 reduced to rupees 2 each. This is the narration. Okay, now next entry. Of the preference dividend in arrears, 3/4 to be waived and remaining to be paid in cash. See the note given below the balance sheet. Preference dividend is in arrears for 4 years. And now they told us that 3/4 were waived. 3/4 म्हणजे 4 वर्षांपैकी 3 वर्षांचे वेव केलेत. अँड रिमेनिंग टू बी पेड इन कॅश. आणि रिमेनिंग म्हणजे 1/4 म्हणजे 4 वर्षांपैकी एका वर्षाचे फक्त पेड केलेले आहेत. सो एका वर्षाचे प्रेफरन्स डिव्हिडंड पेड केल्याची एंट्री आपल्याला करायची आहे. ओके. सो सी द प्रेफरन्स शेअर कॅपिटल वॉज ₹4 lakhs and it was 10% preference shares. So 10% of 4 lakhs 40,000. So we have to pay 40,000 rupees dividend. Okay. So third entry will be payment of preference dividend. Capital reduction account debit. $40,000 to bank account. As we are making payment, bank account will be credited 40,000. Okay. Narration. Preference dividend arrears paid. Preference dividend arrears paid. Now next, see the next point. The debenture holders to take over plant and machinery at ₹6,50,000 in part satisfaction of their claim. Debenture holders claim is 7,50,000 and plant and machinery is worth ₹6 lakhs. But they are taking this plant and machinery at ₹6,50,000. Okay. So they are sacrificing 50,000 rupees more for us. Understood? So old debenture account will be debited for ₹7,50,000. So 12% debentures account debit. ₹7,50,000. Okay. To plant and machinery account. Plant and machinery worth ₹6 lakhs were going out from us, but they are taking it for ₹6,50,000. So to capital reduction account, they are paying 50,000 rupees more. Means they are showing they are paying ₹50,000 more. They are settling their claim for 50,000 rupees more. Okay. So 50,000 will be transferred to capital reduction account. तुमच्या लक्षात येते 6 लाखाची प्लांट अँड मशिनरी ते 6,50,000ला घेत आहेत. म्हणजे 50,000 रुपीज 6,50,000ला घेतल्यासारखं दाखवत आहेत. म्हणजे 6 लाखाची प्लांट अँड मशिनरी घेऊन 6,50,000चा क्लेम रिड्यूस झाल्यासारखं दाखवत आहेत. सो 50,000 इज द सॅक्रिफाईस. Okay. Now remaining claim of ₹1 lakh will be converted into 14% debentures. So to 14% debentures account, 1 lakh. Understood? So 12% debentures settled and appreciation in plant and machinery transferred to reduction account. This is the narration. Understood? Now next entry. See the next entry. Creditors agreed to reduce their claim by ₹20,000. So this is fourth entry, and now fifth entry. Fifth entry will be sacrifice made by creditors. They have agreed to reduce their claim by ₹20,000. So 20,000 rupees is their sacrifice. So creditors will be reduced by 20,000 in our next balance sheet after reconstruction. Okay. So entry will be creditors account debit by ₹20,000, means cancelled by ₹20,000 to capital reduction account. $20,000. And narration being sacrifice of creditors or reduction of creditors transferred. Understood? Transferred. This is the narration. Understood? Next. Now we have passed 5 entries total. Now we will pass 6th entry. See the next point. No, there is one more point. Bills payable is to be paid immediately. Okay, so we will pay bills payable immediately. Entry will be bills payable account debit to bank account. Bills payable account debit to bank account amount is 35,000. They have paid the amount of bills payable immediately. Bills payable paid. This will be the narration. Now next entry. Goodwill, patents, profit and loss account and share issue expenses are to be written off. So we will pass the entry capital reduction account debit to goodwill, to patents, to profit and loss account and to share issue expenses account. Amount of goodwill, see the balance sheet, amount of goodwill is 25,000. Amount of patents 15,000. Profit and loss account 8,20,000. And share issue expenses 45,000. Okay, so total is 9,05,000. Fictitious asset and intangible assets. Written off. This is the narration. Now 8th entry, see the next point. Following assets are to be revalued as under. As we have discussed, there is reduction in furniture, stock, land and building and sundry debtors. So now we will pass this entry. Capital reduction account debit to furniture, stock, land and building and debtors. Debtors. Furniture revalued amount is 25,000 and old amount is 35,000. So reduction of 10,000. In stock, there is reduction of 80,000 minus 68,000, that is 12,000. In land and building, there is reduction of rupees 70,000, difference between old amount and revalued amount. And in debtors, there is reduction of rupees 10,000. Okay, so total is 1,20,000. Sorry, 1,02,000 it is. 1,02,000. Okay. Narration. being values of assets adjusted. For these two entries we can pass combined entry like capital reduction account debit to all these assets. अशी पण एंट्री तुम्ही पास करू शकता. But I am showing you the entries as per the order given in the additional information. Okay. Now, a secured loan of rupees 1,50,000 at 12% per annum is to be obtained by mortgaging land and building. So they are taking a secured loan from the bank. So entry will be bank account debit. The loan is 12% secured loan. So to 12% secured loan account, they are taking loan of rupees 1,50,000 by mortgaging land and building. Okay, so narration. Loan taken by mortgaging land and building. This is the 9th entry. Okay, now 10th. See the next part of that point. They have taken loan for repayment of bank overdraft, bills payable and reconstruction expenses. We have passed the entry of payment of bills payable already. So now we have to pass the entries for payment of bank overdraft and reconstruction expenses. Okay. So next entry will be of either reconstruction expenses paid or bank overdraft. I will pass reconstruction expenses paid entry, 10th entry. Capital reduction account debit. Reconstruction expenses were given rupees 15,000. So 15,000 to bank account. Reconstruction expenses paid. This is the narration. Okay, and now last entry, that is payment of bank overdraft. So bank overdraft account debit 50,000 to bank account 50,000, and narration is bank overdraft settled or paid. This is the last entry. ह्याच्यामध्ये एक पॉईंट तुमच्या लक्षात येतो का बघा, रिकन्स्ट्रक्शन एक्सपेन्सेस हे हेडिंग बॅलन्स शीटमधलं नाही आहे. सो कॅपिटल रिडक्शन अकाउंट इज डेबिटेड अँड बँक अकाउंट इज क्रेडिटेड. Bank overdraft is liability given in the balance sheet. So to cancel these liabilities, that liabilities account is debited and bank account is credited. Okay, so हे नीट लक्षात ठेवा. Now from these journal entries we will prepare capital reduction account. आपल्याला capital reduction account विचारलेला नाही आहे, पण आपल्याला कॅपिटल रिझर्वची जर्नल एंट्री पास करायची आहे लास्ट, जी तुम्ही पास करा नंतर. आय डोंट हॅव स्पेस हिअर. कॅपिटल रिझर्व काढण्यासाठी आपण कॅपिटल रिडक्शन अकाउंट प्रिपेअर करू शकतो. ओके, सो वी हॅव टू सी द जर्नल एंट्रीज हिअर. सी युअर जर्नल एंट्रीज अँड आय एम प्रिपेअरिंग कॅपिटल रिडक्शन अकाउंट. सी द जर्नल एंट्रीज हिअर. 10% preference share capital account debit to 10% preference share capital account to capital reduction account. Okay, so credit side of capital reduction account we have to write 10% preference share capital account by 10% preference share capital account. and amount is of reduction, that is 2 lakhs. त्याचं मीनिंग असं आहे, डेबिट साइड ऑफ कॅपिटल अकाउंट these two accounts, so credit side of capital reduction account by preference share capital account, असा अर्थ आहे त्याचा. आपण लेजर पोस्टिंग शिकलेलो आहोत. आता नेक्स्ट एंट्री बघा. नेक्स्ट एंट्री इज ऑफ रिडक्शन ऑफ इक्विटी शेअर कॅपिटल. सो क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ कॅपिटल रिडक्शन अकाउंट बाय इक्विटी शेअर कॅपिटल अकाउंट. By equity share capital account 8 lakhs, because there is reduction of rupees 8 lakhs. Then third entry, capital reduction account debit to bank account. It is entry of preference dividend paid. So debit side of reduction account to bank account, and the amount is 40,000. I will write here preference dividend paid. Okay, now next entry, fourth entry, debentures account debit to capital reduction. So credit side of capital reduction by 12% debentures account. 12% debentures account debit to plant and machinery to capital reduction. So by 12% debentures account. $50,000. Next entry, creditors account debit to capital reduction account. So credit side of capital reduction by creditors, it is 20,000. Okay, now we have posted these 5 entries. Now next entry, bills payable account debit to bank account. Capital reduction account is not there, so we will not post this entry in capital reduction account. Now entry of intangible assets and fictitious assets is run off. Capital reduction account debit to goodwill, to patents, to plant and to profit and loss account, to share issue expenses account. So debit side of capital reduction account to goodwill, share issue expenses account, and amounts are 25,000, 15,000, then 8,20,000, then 45,000. Then the next entry, reduction account debit to all assets account. So debit side of capital reduction, all assets, that is to furniture, to stock, to land and building, and to debtors. Furniture 10,000, stock 12,000, then land and building 70,000, and debtors 10,000. Then the next entry is bank account debit to 12% secured loan account. Next entry is capital reduction account debit to bank account. It is of reconstruction expenses paid. And the amount is rupees 15,000. Okay. Now the next entry, bank overdraft account debit to bank account. No need of posting this entry. Reconstruction expenses were rupees 15,000. So we have posted all the entries here. Now we have to tally and calculate capital reserve. Okay, so it is 10,70,000. After deducting debit total, The balance is 8,000 which will be transferred to capital reserve account. Balancing figure. Okay, so pass the entry for this capital reduction account debit to capital reserve account rupees 8,000 in your journal. Understood? Now we will prepare the balance sheet. I have constructed the basic balance sheet here. We have to prepare notes to accounts and then we will fill up this balance sheet. Okay, so here we'll prepare notes to accounts. First note will be of share capital. So first share capital, in that equity share capital issued, subscribed and paid up 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 2 each. So equity share capital is 2 lakhs. Now preference share capital, issued, subscribed and paid up 4,000 10% preference shares of rupees 50 each. आपण हे डिस्कस केलं आहे जर्नल एंट्री करताना. सो 4,000 into 50 that is 2 lakhs again. So total share capital is 4 lakhs in the new balance sheet. Okay, now second note is of reserve and surplus. There is no old reserve, only capital reserve. Transfer from capital reduction. Okay, so it will be 8,000. Total of this note is 8,000. Now third will be long term borrowings. Now see these journal entries. Here in this entry they have cancelled the old debentures and here are the new debentures which are 14% debentures worth rupees 1 lakh. Okay, and then in the next entry they have borrowed rupees 1,50,000 secured loan. Understood? So these two items are involved in long term borrowings. First item is 14% debentures. A असं पण म्हणू शकतो आपण. 40% debentures 1 lakh and B is 12% secured loan. It is secured against land and building, so we have to write that secured against land and building, and amount is 1,50,000. So total amount 2,50,000. Okay, now next note, fourth note will be of trade payables. Trade payables see the amount of trade payables in the old balance sheet. It is sundry creditors 1,40,000 and bills payable 35,000. Okay, we have paid the bills payable, so only sundry creditors are there. So sundry creditors opening balance is 1,40,000 and they have reduced their claim, so reduction 20,000. So now it will be they will be 1,20,000. This is the final amount of trade payables. Understood? Now next note, prepare here. Next note, fourth. This is fifth. Now we have to prepare note for fixed asset tangible, because there are reduction in tangible assets. So fixed assets tangible, you can write tangible fixed assets also here. Okay, there is land and building worth rupees 6,50,000 in the old balance sheet, and less we have reduced their amount, so less return of rupees 70,000. So new balance will be 5,80,000. Now there is also furniture. Furnitures and fixtures. Furniture and fixtures amount see in the old balance sheet, it was 35,000 less return of, or you can write reduction, less return of 10,000 by rupees 10,000. So new amount will be 25,000. Okay, now we have to add it, and total will be 6,05,000. Okay, now next note. See the balance sheet I have constructed, otherwise see the old balance sheet, you can understand the which notes we have to prepare. Now inventory. In inventory, stock opening balance. Stock's opening balance was 80,000 less return off. It was written off by 12,000 rupees. Okay, so it will be 68,000, and this is the final amount of inventory. Okay, now seventh will be trade receivables. Again there is reduction in amount of debtors, so debtors original amount was 90,000 less reduction in debtors is named as RDD, so it is of rupees 10,000. So final amount is 80,000. Then see the old balance sheet, there are bills receivables. Bills receivable amount 15,000. Okay, so total amount is 95,000. Okay, and we have to calculate cash balance also. We can calculate here or in notes, working notes. Cash and cash equivalents. See the cash and cash equivalents amount Original bank balance, see the old balance sheet. There is नो बँक बॅलन्स. ओके, बँक बॅलन्स नाही आहे जुन्या बॅलन्स शीटमध्ये. आता ओळीनी एंट्रीज बघा. सगळ्या एंट्रीजमध्ये इथे दाखवते मी तुम्हाला. दीज आर जर्नल एंट्रीज. ओके, बँक अकाउंट डेबिट केलं आहे का बघा. बँक अकाउंट इज डेबिटेड व्हेन वी हॅव रिसिव्ड सम अमाऊंट. हिअर बँक अकाउंट इज डेबिटेड बाय 1,50,000 अँड in 2-3 entries bank accounts are credited. See here, first 35,000 credited by 35,000, credited by 15,000, credited by 50,000. ओके, सिमिलरली अजून काही या बाजूला आहे का बघूया. हिअर इट इज क्रेडिटेड बाय 40,000 बँक अकाउंट. कळतं आहे, म्हणजे पैसे आपल्याकडनं जात आहेत. सो आलेले पैसे मायनस गेलेले पैसे असं आपल्याला करायला पाहिजे. This is working note actually. Okay, so received amount 1,50,000 and minus amounts are 35,000 plus 40,000. सगळ्या मायनस अमाऊंटची टोटल करते मी. प्लस 15,000 प्लस 50,000. वर्किंग नोटमध्येच हे करा, म्हणजे तुम्हाला इथे डिटेल्स काही लिहित बसायला लागणार नाहीत. 1,50,000 मायनस ॲडिशन ऑफ ऑल दीज अमाऊंट. इट इज 1,40,000. 1,50,000 मायनस 1,40,000. सो कॅश अँड कॅश इक्विवलेंट्स अमाऊंट विल बी 10,000. ओके, नाव we'll fill up these amounts in this balance sheet. Share capital and reserve and surplus. Amounts are 4 lakhs and 8,000. 4 lakhs and 8,000. Long term borrowings 2,50,000. Trade payables 1,20,000. 2,50,000 and trade payables 1,20,000. So total 7,78,000. आता assets. Fixed assets 6,05,000. Note number 5. 6,05,000. Now note number 6 is of inventory. So inventory amount is 68,000. Note number 7, trade receivables. It is 95,000. And cash and cash equivalents balance is 10,000. Okay, so now we have to add all these amounts: 6,05,000, 68,000, 95,000 and 10,000. So addition is 7,78,000. सो आपली बॅलन्स शीट टॅली झालेली आहे. नोट्स कशा करायच्या आहेत आणि नोट्सवरनं कशी बॅलन्स शीट तयार करायची आहे ते मी तुम्हाला दाखवलेलं आहे. ओके, these are the journal entries passed by us and we have prepared capital reduction account here. In this way you can calculate here. Note number 2, bank balance लिहून इथे तुम्ही काढू शकता. नोट्स टू अकाउंट्समध्ये ते करण्याची गरज नाही. ओके, so in this way solve this problem in your notebook and if there is any doubt you can ask. Okay, that's all.